Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is day 2 of our Sakhleshpur trip. Just now we have checked out from Rosetta the Ferns and we are heading towards the Machaan Plantation Resort and will explore that today. From Rosetta it is 60 kilometers, so approx it will take 1 hour to reach there. If you will come directly from Bangalore, then this would be 5 hours drive from Bangalore city. Sakhleshpur is a hill station in Western Ghats mountain range in India's Karnataka state. It's a beautiful and less crowded weekend gateway from Bangalore. Sakhleshpur is filled with natural beauty and surrounded with coffee plantation with flora and fauna, which makes it a great place to relax and rejuvenate. The road is good. Only towards the resort it was very narrow and had lots of potholes. And we reached the Machaan Plantation Resort. Amidst Sakhleshpur's thick green canopy and scenic landscape lies Machaan Plantation Resort, your perfect gateway to explore the Western Ghats of Karnataka. You can park your car here and the lobby area was well maintained and clean. This boutique resort is tucked away in a coffee estate in the countryside surrounded by lush rolling hills and meadows with amazing views. There are 16 deluxe valley view rooms which are spacious and comfortable with large sit-outs and balconies that offers breathtaking views of the hills, ensuring a memorable stay. Swimming pool is set against the verdant backdrop of the Western Ghats. The pool is a serene spot to relax, swim and soak up the vistas of the mountains. It has one restaurant betta that offers a delightful blend of local and Indian flavors, and you can enjoy your dining experience amidst breathtaking views of the lush and panoramic landscape. Above the restaurant, they have recreational area to keep the guests entertained with their indoor games. And they also show a very interesting wildlife documentary in their glass house. As it was our anniversary, so they beautifully decorated our room, gifted this cake, and we are so thankful to them for making our celebration so special. In Sakhleshpur, you can discover Karnataka's natural and cultural treasures where you can embark on guided hikes, visit waterfalls and immerse yourself in the history of Hoysala dynasty. This resort is quite serene and plastic-free. Manager and staffs are professional and courteous. Overall, had a relaxing stay away from busy and hustle life. I hope you enjoy this tour. Please like this video and follow for more. See you in my next. Till then, live happily and stay beautiful.